Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to 4K Ultra HDR 90 FPS graphics on Pubg mobile emulator using Game Loop. Well, to achieve 4K Ultra HDR graphics and 90 FPS on Pubg mobile emulator Game Loop, here's what you're going to do. Ensure your PC meets the necessary specification for 4K gaming. A powerful CPU, GPU, and sufficient RAM are crucial. Open Game Loop and navigate to the Pubg mobile icon. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Under the Engine tab, set the resolution to 4K and enable HDR. Launch Pubg Mobile within Game Loop. Access the in-game settings by clicking the gear icon. Then choose the highest graphics quality, enable HDR, and set the frame rate to 90 FPS. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Access your GPU controls panel, and set the preferred graphics processor to your dedicated GPU. Ensure Windows is updated to the latest version. Then adjust power settings to high performance in the power plan settings. Close unnecessary background application to free up system resources. Then restart Game Loop after making these changes for the settings to take effect. And that's how to make 4K Ultra HDR graphics and 90 FPS on Pubg Mobile using Game Loop Emulator. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.